6 natural home remedies for diabetes. Diabetes mellitus has become a very common health problem. There are two main types of diabetes: type 1 diabetes, in which the body does not produce insulin, and type 2 diabetes, in which the body does not produce enough insulin, or the insulin that is produced does not work properly. While there is no cure for diabetes, with your blood sugar level under control, you can live a totally normal life. There are various natural remedies for diabetes that will help you control your blood sugar level. Here are 6 best natural home remedies to control diabetes. Fenugreek seeds. Consume about 1 teaspoon of fenugreek powder, that is methi dana powder, with lukewarm water early morning before you start your day. Fenugreek seeds are famous for their ability to lower blood sugar in people with diabetes. They contain fiber and help in slowing the digestion process, and thus regulate the absorption of carbohydrates and sugar. They also help in improving the way the body uses sugar. Homemade herbal powders. Make a concoction of fenugreek powder, jamun seed powder, neem powder, and karela powder, all in equal proportions. Consume about 1 teaspoon of this mix half an hour before lunch and dinner along with water. This will make you feel more active and keeps your diabetes under control. Paneer doda. Paneer doda is a popular Indian flour known for its medicinal uses. It helps in utilizing the blood glucose effectively. Soak 8 to 10 flowers of paneer doda in a glass of water overnight. Filter the water and have it in the morning. Amla juice. Take 2 teaspoons of amla juice with a pinch turmeric powder early morning. Amla is the fruit of the Indian gooseberry tree and is a traditional remedy to control high blood sugar levels. It also contains mineral called chromium, which regulates carbohydrate metabolism and helps in making your body more responsive to insulin. Bitter gourd juice. Drink a glass of juice made with half bitter gourd, half cucumber, 2 celery stalk, and half green apple. You should have this at least once a day for amazing results. Gurmar leaves. Gurmar is an Ayurvedic herb which is known to regulate the absorption of carbohydrates in the body. The word gurmar literally means the sugar destroyer, as it helps in maintaining healthy blood sugar levels in the body. Have a 1 teaspoon of powdered gurmar leaves along with water half an hour after lunch and dinner. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos. Home remedies to control diabetes. Diabetes mellitus, commonly referred as diabetes. It is a chronic disorder. It occurs when the pancreas does not secrete enough insulin, or when the cells of the body become resistant to insulin. Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin, which enables the glucose take from the food to go to the cells in the body, and there it is transformed into energy used by different tissues and organs in order to perform their job. Here you can get natural ways for treating diabetes, and you will discover the most efficient, 100% natural, safe and costless treatment for diabetes. To control diabetes naturally with healthy food kitchen, you need cinnamon 2 sticks, Indian gooseberry, that is amla 4, bunch of mango leaves, okra, that is lady's finger 4, fenugreek seeds 1 cup. Let us see the benefits of ingredients for diabetes. Cinnamon sticks. Cinnamon is not only a spice packed with healthy full antioxidants, it can also be used to help diabetics control their blood glucose levels. Cinnamon has the ability to lower blood sugar level by stimulating the insulin activity. It has a bioactive component that helps to prevent and fight diabetes. Cinnamon also helps in lowering the cholesterol levels. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry is one of the most powerful herbs used in Ayurveda. It has been recommended by doctors for several chronic conditions, especially diabetes. According to studies, it is the antioxidant property of amla that makes it useful for diabetic individuals. The polyphenol-rich fruit actually has properties that can protect the body from oxidative properties of high blood sugar. The same compound is also effective in preventing insulin resistance caused due to a high fructose diet. This means that the fruit can actually assist in proper absorption of insulin, leading to a drop in blood sugar in diabetics. Mango leaves. Mango leaves, particularly their extract, have been used by the ancient Chinese for treating asthma and diabetes. The leaves are full of active compounds that are effective in controlling the symptoms of the health condition. The mango leaves are great remedy for diabetes. Aside from that, the leaves can help remove toxins in the body and can even work as protection against allergies. The most effective way to manage diabetes is to control the blood sugar. Mango leaves extract can improve the production of insulin and the distribution of glucose, which can lower blood sugar levels. Okra. It contains potassium, vitamin B, vitamin C, folic acid, and calcium. It is low in calories and has a high dietary fiber content. Recently, a new benefit of including okra in your diet is being considered. Okra has been suggested to help manage blood sugar in cases of type 1, type 2, and gestational diabetes. Fenugreek seeds. In one study, researchers in India found that adding 100 grams of defatted fenugreek seed powder to the daily diet of patients with insulin dependent, that is, type 1 diabetes, significantly reduced their fasting blood glucose levels, improved glucose tolerance, and also lowered total cholesterol. Making okra water remedy. Cut the ends of the okra and slit them into 4 halves. Add slices into bowl containing water. Soak it overnight. Squeeze the okra well. You will notice sticky gum water. Consume this okra water with empty stomach in the morning. Sprouted fenugreek. Soak handful of fenugreek seeds in a bowl of water. Soak overnight and strain the excess water. You can also drink this water with empty stomach. Store the soaked seeds with closed lid in refrigerator for 3 days. On the 4th day, you will see sprouts in the seeds. Eat sprouted fenugreek seeds before breakfast. Mango leaves water. Cut the mango leaves and add them to a bowl. Add glass of hot water to it and allow it to soak overnight. In the morning, you will notice the change of color in mango leaves. Strain the water. You will notice the smell of raw mango in this water. Consume this water in the morning with empty stomach. Cinnamon water. Boil 2 glasses of water with broken cinnamon sticks and allow it to reduce 1 glass. Once the water reduced and color change, strain the water into glass. Drink this water early in the morning with empty stomach. Amla juice. Cut the amla into small pieces and add them to blender jar. Add small piece of ginger for flavor taste. Add required amount of water and grind it. Grind it thoroughly and strain the juice. Drink this juice in the morning with empty stomach. Follow these simple diabetes remedies regularly. Definitely you will feel good results in a week. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.